This how to 1 minute will show you how to show authors list with photos in WordPress. Follow these easy steps to add author list with photo. As you can see, I'm in my WordPress dashboard and I'm in my all users section, and currently I have these users in my WordPress, and as you can see, I've added author photos. I have already uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. You can watch the video to learn how you can add author photo. Once you added author photo, it's time to add a plugin. To do that, go to plugin section and click on add new plugin. In this search plugins box, type authors avatar list and search for it, and install and activate this author avatars list block plugin. Once done, now go to the post or page where you want to add author list. So I'm going to creating a new post and I'm writing the post title author list, and now click on add block and here search for shortcode, and in this shortcode box you have to write this shortcode. Once done, click on publish, and now let's view the post. And as you can see, I've successfully added author list with photos in my WordPress. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.